Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button, like, comment, share. Hello everyone, today I am going to show you top 7 best Victorinox watches of 2021 based on specifications. Top 7. Victorinox I.N.O.X 241845 Analog Quartz Watch. Rubber or paracord strap. Sandblasted stainless steel case. Creates a modern look with multifunctionality at your fingertips. Choose a smooth rubber strap that wraps your wrist in soft comfort for a perfect fit day or night. Etched lines in the band give a chain-link appearance, making this watch suitable for work, the weekend, and a night out. For your survival and everyday adventures, change to the hand-woven survival paracord strap, Swiss-made. This Swiss-made watch is made to withstand up to 130 extreme endurance homologation tests and is an ISO 6425 certified diver watch with anti-magnetism analog quartz movement. Dive deeper, able to withstand the toughest conditions. High pressure and tall drops. This I.N.O.X watch is the ultimate explorer, ready for pool or ocean dive. Water resistance 200 meters / 660 feet. Watch diameter 45 millimeters. Military time date, end of life indicator. Scratch resistant. Triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal. Monoblock dial with stamped numerals and indexes. And screw down crown. Top 6. Victorinox I.N.O.X Carbon Blue 241860 Dial Men's Watch. Blue dial enhanced by luminous gunmetal hands. Black carbon case with a blue textile band. Product key features: dial window material type scratch resistant sapphire. Display type analog. Case material carbon case, diameter 43 millimeters. Band material textile. Band width 21 millimeters. Band color blue, dial color blue. Bezel material fixed, calendar date. Special features: date, hour, minute, second. Item weight 3.46 ounces. Movement quartz. Water resistant. Depth 660 feet. Top 5. Victorinox I.N.O.X Carbon 241866 Automatic Black Dial Men's Watch. Prestigious mechanical engineering with a high-tech twist. Meet the I.N.O.X Carbon Mechanical. This watch was created with our renowned Swiss expertise and quality, but there's nothing traditional about its appearance. Edgy yet lightweight carbon composite offers the ultimate in strength and durability, even when pushed to extremes. Super Luminova hands and indexes give great readability, and the scratch-resistant sapphire crystal means you can focus on the bigger picture. Product key features: dial window material type scratch-resistant sapphire. Display type analog. Case diameter 43 millimeters. Band material rubber. Band width 21 millimeters. Calendar date. Item weight 3.56 ounces. Movement mechanical, automatic. Water resistant. Depth 660 feet. Top 4. Victorinox FieldForce 241897 Sport GMT Quartz Men's Watch. Local and home time in one easy glance. With its GMT function, this stunning watch keeps you instantly in touch with both wherever your trip takes you. Boasts iconic Swiss Army knife-shaped features, plus an optional rubber strap for an exciting all-terrain sporty twist on a classic design. Ideal for the global traveler who wants to stay connected to home. It's the closest you'll get to time travel. Product key features: gender men's case, diameter 42 millimeters. Case material stainless steel. Display analog crystal sapphire. Watch movement quartz. Water resistance 100. Top 3. Victorinox Swiss Army 241,894 men's I.N.O.X Paracord green strap watch. The I.N.O.X Autumn Spirit is a watch for a lifetime. A lifetime of dates, drops and dives. Of adventure, action and aspiration. The innovative Paracord strap means this watch can play as hard as you do, while the exceptional Swiss quality keeps it working impeccably. With its modern matte finish, timeless class and agile design, it will make your everyday feel extraordinary. Product key features: movement quartz type analog case width 43 mm, case material stainless steel, case color silver window material, scratch resistant water resistant depth 200 m. Top 2. Victorinox Alliance Sport stainless steel Swiss-Quartz watch. Bold, strong and ready to take on any challenge. This is our Alliance Sport chronograph. A timepiece with a competitive spirit and a sleek aesthetic edge to add into the mix. It's your perfect sporting partner, helping you push your limits on the bike, track or trail. Its tachymeter scale bezel, stopwatch, needle counterweight and markers, shaped like a Swiss Army knife, cement its commitment to competitive time and precision. Product key features: display type analog case material stainless steel, case diameter 44 mm, bezel material stainless steel, bezel function tachymeter special features chronograph date hour minute second, item weight 3.6 ounces movement Swiss-Quartz, water resistant depth 330 feet. Top 1. Victorinox Airboss mechanical black dial / bracelet watch. Timeless luxury, form functionality and precision with style. These timeless watches embody contemporary masculinity, durable construction. Our timepieces are designed and manufactured with the same rigorous attention to quality as the brand's legendary Swiss Army knife and meet the highest standards of the Swiss watch industry. Swiss-made mechanical excellence, on-point aesthetics and relentless accuracy are the definitive hallmarks of a Victorinox watch. Swiss precision with a resolute commitment to rigorous testing underpin our selection of internationally trusted watches. Product key features: display type analog case material stainless steel, case diameter 42 mm band material stainless steel, bezel function 12-hour time display, calendar day water resistance 100 meters, movement Swiss-Quartz. Thanks for watching. Product buying link given in description.